The Midmark culture I would describe as authentic, personal development. We're constantly trying to learn and get better, making sure that not only is the company growing, but we're growing as people as well. My role, I would say, is probably one of the most cross-collaborative roles that we have here at Midmark. I'm working with manufacturing, engineering, operations, sourcing, logistics to make sure delivery of our products gets done on time. Some of the things that I enjoy the most is definitely being able to engage with our customers. I love spending time with them in the Experience Center. I also love engaging with our engineering team, being able to get my hands on the product and really communicate. I can be very strategic. I can also really impact the customer, and I get that holistic view. We've all been patients before, or I hope. So it's really good to be able to develop products that are actually at the point of care. I started as an associate product manager. I'm currently a senior product manager, and I've all done that while having 3 kids. As a working mom, it's really easy to get depleted when it comes to emotional wellness. The event, Fill Your Cup, that is a group that I'm involved in, and I've really enjoyed it. And it was all about making sure that they're filling their cups before trying to fill everyone else's. Digging into what's beyond the work. Coming in, I didn't know a lot about Midmark, what we did, if I'm being honest. But if I were to invite anyone, give it a shot. I would personally say that we're a very collaborative and caring team. We also like to have fun, too. We are essentially building the platform and the roadmap for all of our future products. Brainstorm on how products can work together, on what we're seeing from market trends, competitive trends, run through different product scenarios, strip the covers down, make sure we understand how things are going to work for our customers. And that's really the fun part of it. So I had to think about this, but some of my core values are directly related to my family, the trust that we have amongst each other, the humility that we have, that's a huge value for me, as well as just respect. I come to work and I'm myself, and I'm accepted for being myself. Never had to feel like I'm 2 different people. Like there's work Leah and home Leah, that doesn't exist. Midmark's been very supportive of that flexibility.